What's up, guys? Right now I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Y'all will be right here on my handlebars. Sorry if it's a little shaky. This bike's kind of old, so let's get into it. Alright, get the kickstand up. Alright, ready? I'm gonna take you guys to a spot I really like to bike at. Try not to be super shaky so y'all can see. Is that the side? Oh wait, which one? Okay. It's kind of far away, but a really fun spot to ride. So, something y'all probably don't know about me is I am a very active person. Like, I like to just go places, try new things. Some of my friends call me a daredevil. But, oh my gosh, this wind. Sorry if the audio is bad. But, as I was saying, some of my friends, they call me a daredevil. Probably because I am. I mean, I go and I'll do some crazy stuff, you know. Like some things I really want to do, like on my bucket list that are really scary. I'll go bungee jumping, I'll go skydiving, and, well, I've done parasailing. That was really fun. Y'all gotta try that. You gotta try parasailing. It's really fun. First part. It's very fun. It's quite the experience. Not the parasailing where you run down the hill. I'm talking about the one where you're on the boat and it goes super fast and it lifts off. I remember I did that in Alabama. So yeah. Oh, car's coming. Oh. We're almost there. Oh, look at that car. Sick truck. Oh, get on the hill. I gotta jump real quick. Ready? Whoop. All good? Hey, we're good. It's either this one or it's that one. I can't remember. I don't know. I think it's this one. Is it this one? Guess we'll find out. I wonder if it is. I think it is. Oh yeah, it is this one. Okay, we made it. So this is the spot where my kickstand at. This is the spot. It's kind of big. Well, it's just really fun to ride, you know. I might take y'all down over there. Let's hit it. Alright, let's get it. Oh. Yeah, that first one. How was that? Yeah, that, I almost fell right there. Oh, a pop socket on. It shouldn't be too bad. We'll go down this steeper part. Ready? It might be a little shaky, but let's do it. Oh, yeah. Just really fun, you know. Ooh. Did I just? No, that's been there. Alright. I'm done with that. I don't want to do anything too crazy right now. I got school tomorrow. I don't want to hurt myself. ride around, do a few things, come down here with my brother a lot, and my friend. Come down here. Ooh, looks like there's a skateboarder up ahead. Oh my gosh. My pedal is clipping the back of my... back of my pedal is clipping my kickstand. It's not good. Wanna go to a park? Let's go to the park, guys. That'll be really fun. Ooh, if there's no one there, I might go down on my bike. That'll be really fun. This whole YouTube thing. This is my first kind of long video. I guess. I mean, I have no idea what to post or what content you guys would like to see. So, if you want to see specific content, let me know in comments below any video, I guess, and I will go ahead and see what I can do with that. So we're almost down to the park now. This is a big hill. Really cool is my birthday is actually on the 13th. So Friday. I know Friday the 13th kind of weird. But the good news is for my party, we're gonna have my whole baseball/football team over. We're gonna play a flag football game here in this nice field. I actually just got this thing cleaned up. So yeah, there's a couple of little kids here. I'll have to block their faces strongly. They're really little. But no. Oh, there's someone else here. Uh-oh. Well, I was going to take my bike and show y'all around the park. But, looks like there's people here. So, I'll go down this rock path right here. I don't know why, but I like going down it. Nice, easy. Probably got this nice turn up here. So, if you're a mountain biker, I don't know, if you find a rock path like this, I suggest you go down there. It's really fun. Just take it slow. See, then you can come. There we go. Whew. I'm gonna go back up through this park area. What's this say? I'll blow this out. I don't know where I'm living. I gotta make sure I'm not breaking any rules, you know? No authorized use of motorized vehicles. Good thing my legs are powering these vehicles. Or this vehicle, if you want to call it. So, I think we're just gonna zip on out of here. That's my friend Blake's house. Can't tell y'all exactly where because that's weird. It's all pulling up on me. Gonna go across here. Just gonna go across here. How long have I been recording for? I think we just passed. What's this right now, I am at, how many minutes of recording am I at? 13 minutes. Comment below if you like my shorts. So, I don't know. When you have Saturday practice but you're injured, my friend dared me to post that. So, for all you people commenting you cringe, so you know, it was a dare. But my friend wanted to be in a video. That was the transition video. It's kind of cool. I mean, it was his first time transitioning. He didn't really know how. Literally, his mom pulled up right as we were doing that. So that's the reason why we didn't, you know, make that or try to get that perfect. But he's actually creating his own YouTube channel here pretty soon. And once I get the name of that, I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna jump real quick. Ooh, yeah. I'm not gonna do any more jumps because I do squat at my school. And so it's like, my legs right now are killing me. I'm at 115 on my squat right now. It's kind of sick, you know? Okay, we are back at my house. Thank you all for watching, for all you that did watch. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.